Hey friends! Keeping your tires properly inflated is crucial for safety and fuel efficiency, so today we explore the best portable inflators. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car tire inflator in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Volec car tire inflator. This high-performance cordless air compressor is a true powerhouse, engineered to provide rapid and reliable inflation during those stressful roadside moments. With a formidable motor capable of reaching 160 psi and a swift 20 liters per minute airflow, it can top off a standard passenger tire in just 60 seconds, which is twice as fast as many traditional models. The unit is fueled by a massive 5,200 mAh battery that can handle up to 17 car tires on a single charge, supported by an advanced internal cooling system to prevent overheating. You'll love the intelligent design that stores the air hose and adapters directly on the back, keeping your trunk clutter-free. It features high-precision sensors and a bright LED display to ensure you get the exact pressure every time, while the integrated flashlight makes nighttime repairs safe and easy. This robust tool is an absolute essential for any driver who values speed, organization, and long-lasting battery performance during their daily commutes or long-distance travels. Next up, our second product, the Powell's car tire inflator. If you are looking for a compact pump that punches way above its weight class, this high-speed air pump is the perfect solution for your glove box. It features an upgraded internal chip that allows it to reach 150 psi, effectively inflating a standard tire from 30 to 36 psi in less than 1 minute flat. The cordless 4,000 mAh battery gives you the freedom to move around your vehicle without being tethered to a 12V outlet, providing enough energy for 25 bike tires or 60 sports balls. It is incredibly user-friendly, offering 4 distinct preset modes alongside a manual custom mode to cater to all your inflation needs with total accuracy. The Type-C charging port ensures you can quickly juice it up anywhere, while the multi-mode LED light includes an SOS signal for emergency situations. This sleek and portable device combines rapid inflation technology with versatile safety features, making it a reliable companion for home use, cycling adventures, or unexpected roadside stops. Coming in at number 3, the KZKB car tire inflator. This intelligent air compressor is a marvel of modern engineering, featuring a high-velocity 19,313 revolutions per minute motor that delivers a staggering 160 psi maximum pressure. It is powered by 3 interconnected 2,000 mAh batteries, allowing you to inflate a standard tire 3 times faster than standard handheld pumps on the market today. One of its most unique features is the dual LCD screen setup, which provides high-precision monitoring of both the current and target pressure with professional accuracy. Beyond just tires, this versatile device doubles as a 6,000 mAh power bank to keep your smartphone charged during emergencies, adding an extra layer of utility to your toolkit. It is exceptionally lightweight at just 1.54 pounds and comes with built-in storage for its various adapters, ensuring you never lose a piece while on the go. This all-in-one gadget is the perfect blend of a high-speed inflator, an emergency light, and a portable charger, providing unmatched value for the modern tech-savvy driver. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Airmoto car tire inflator. For those who demand ultimate portability without sacrificing strength, this compact inflator is specifically designed to fit into tight spaces like a motorcycle bag or a small glove compartment. Despite its small stature, it delivers up to 120 psi with impressive accuracy, making it ideal for everything from heavy-duty SUVs to delicate racing bicycles. The clear digital interface allows you to toggle between multiple units like PSI and bar, while the smart auto shut-off function prevents dangerous overinflation by stopping exactly at your preset limit. It even includes a dedicated deflate button, which is a rare and helpful feature for fine-tuning your tire pressure for specific driving conditions or off-road adventures. The rechargeable 2,000 mAh battery is optimized for efficiency, coming with a full set of nozzles including Presta and Schrader valve adapters for universal compatibility. It is a durable and reliable safety tool that provides immense peace of mind, ensuring you can maintain proper tire health wherever your journey takes you. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Eaton Wolf Car Tire Inflator. This professional-grade cordless inflator stands out due to its incredible airflow and high-capacity 5,200 mAh battery, designed to handle heavy-duty tasks with ease. It utilizes a high-performance motor that generates 160 psi, allowing it to inflate a standard car tire in only 60 seconds, significantly outperforming many corded alternatives. The design is exceptionally thoughtful, featuring dedicated slots on the back for the air hose and specialized adapters to ensure you always have the right tool for the job. Thanks to its precision pressure sensors and memory function, it remembers your last use settings to make routine maintenance faster and more convenient than ever before. The dedicated internal cooling system allows for longer continuous runtimes, meaning you can inflate multiple tires back-to-back without the unit shutting down from heat. With its combination of raw power, high-precision accuracy, and organized portability, this inflator is a top-tier choice for families and outdoor enthusiasts who need a dependable air source for every vehicle and inflatable toy. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below. We're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.